Here's some Fort Sumter trivia. Subscribe. On which date did the battle begin? Is it A, January 1st, 1860, B, April 12th, 1861, C, March 15th, 1862, or D, May 10th, 1863? The correct answer is B, April 12th, 1861. How many federal troops were stationed at Fort Sumter? Is it A, 100 troops, B, 85 troops, C, 200 men, or D, 50 soldiers? The correct answer is B, 85 troops. Which U.S. president was in office during the battle? Is it A, Thomas Jefferson, B, Abraham Lincoln, C, George Washington, or D, Franklin Pierce? The correct answer is B, Abraham Lincoln. Which historic event did the battle symbolize? Is it A, beginning of the Civil War, B, Declaration of Independence, C, Industrial Revolution, or D, end of slavery? The correct answer is A, beginning of the Civil War. Where's Fort Sumter situated geographically? Is it A, Chesapeake Bay, B, Charleston Harbor, C, San Francisco Bay, or D, New York Harbor? The correct answer is B, Charleston Harbor. What type of artillery was used in the battle? Is it A, ballista, B, rockets, C, cannons, or D, howitzers? The correct answer is C, cannons. What was the final status of Fort Sumter after the battle? Is it A, occupied by Marines, B, neutralized zone, C, Union control, or D, Confederate control? The correct answer is D, Confederate control. What does Fort Sumter symbolize in American history? Is it A, Spanish-American War, B, Reconstruction era, C, American independence, or D, Civil War beginnings? The correct answer is D, Civil War beginnings. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.